She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Risa y Paz. Today is going to be a super easy, super simple video. I'm going to be doing a chunky twist out. So for this style, right now my hair just has the leave-in conditioner and I'm letting it sit in this turban cloth. Today I'm going to be reviewing this curl dip. So it is a drench and twist conditioning style cream. This has bounce boost and curl definition. Some of the key ingredients are aloe, argan oil, avocado, marula oil, coconut oil, and shea butter. And this was created by an artist that I actually love and that I follow. Her name is Natalie Lauren, and I believe she's the co-founder of this Curl Chefs. And this time I'm using the golden bars, and I'm just going to use it mostly on like my tips. So I'm not going to try to do like my whole entire hair with this 3-strand chunky twist out. So let's get right into the style. Okay, so to get started, I got this section down, and I'm just going to probably do, like I said, I want to do chunky twists. So I'm going to do 2 twists per quarter. 2, 4, 6, 8. So that'll be 8 total. I might do 10. So first, I'm just going to apply the cream, and then I'm going to apply the temporary hair color to my tips. It's definitely a jelly consistency. It's not super, it doesn't seem super thick, but it feels like a custard. So that's exciting. Hopefully that means I'm going to get some definition with this, and hopefully I'm not applying too much. So yeah, I think their line also comes with a leave-in conditioner. I used the leave-in conditioner once and I wasn't too fond of it. So yeah, look at this. It's actually defining my curls pretty well. My hair was pretty wet already. You guys see this? This is actually coming on nicely. I did do the mix test to make sure that it would mix well with each other. I'm going to add a little bit of water just to make sure that the product is spreading evenly, and then I'm gonna comb it through. This isn't bad at all, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my color. Next, good old faithful. See how this goes. I hope this doesn't flake on me, y'all. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Give me some color. Okay, y'all. I see a little definition there. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and twist now. I'm going to do a 3-strand twist. I haven't done this in so long. Yeah, I'm trying to stay coordinated. I cannot talk through this. I'm sorry. Whew, that was a struggle. Let me know down below. Do you struggle with these? Because I can't remember which way I was twisting. I am going to sit under the dryer because I know that this transfers while it's wet. But yeah, that's my 3-strand twist. That's what we're doing. Hope this turns out well. All right, guys, I'm going to be back when I get in the front because this whole coordination thing ain't working. I'll be back. It looks like the products are mixing pretty well because I am doing chunky twists. I went ahead and like twisted it a little bit and then put a bobby pin right at the base just so that my hair can be flat on the bottom. And then this one in the middle, I started it out as a braid and then I went into a twist because it was really puffy, like right in the middle, and that's gonna be puffy anyway, so I don't want to help it out, you know. As you can see, I didn't add water this time, so this is doing really good to like define my hair. I actually really like it, but yeah. We got chunkies, super chunkies in the back. I guess this isn't as chunky. I feel like this is though, because it's 3 sections. I don't know, we'll see. The back is definitely chunky. We'll see what the rest of this is gonna look like. So overall, I think I like this product. It feels good going on. It wasn't drying, which was really good. My hair feels moisturized. Even my hands feel really moisturized afterwards. But then again, the temporary hair paint wax is a wax. So yeah, I'm going to send it to the dryer just for probably about 30 minutes, maybe. I'm going to bed, and then I'll wake up and take my hair down once it's dry. And I'll show you all what it looks like. Hey guys, so we are back. Today is 2 days later, so I know I wanted to take it down the next day, but I didn't get a chance to. My hair is fully dry for sure. I didn't do anything special. I just had it pulled back in a ponytail to kind of try to stretch it out a little bit. But yeah, this is what we have, and I'm going to go ahead and get started with the takedown process. I'm just going to take some of my oil, the same oil that I applied during the twisting process. I'm going to rub some of that over my hands and just kind of rub it through, but just lightly, honestly. And I'm going to get started in the back with this takedown. I'm see what this color is looking like too. Ooh, we got some solid definition there. See, it really is like a lot of definition, guys. This looks pretty good though. I am not mad. I'm not mad. This looks really good. Can we see this color? I don't know, we'll have to see in the end. Hopefully I'm not taking it all off with this oil. So let's see this side. Alright, okay. I'm liking this. Look at that definition. Come on. Sometimes I don't separate all the way to the end. That's a little tip if you want to keep some of that definition on your ends. As it gets old, I'll pull it apart more. Yes. I'm so excited. Yay! I have to do the style again. This is too bombs for me to just be like, oh yeah, look, it's done. No, I have to duplicate this. Like, This is not gonna be an anomaly. This is gonna be a regular, okay? What? Ugh. Do y'all see this definition? I'm shook, straight up. The amount of definition that I have, the way this little color it looks really nice. It's light, it's very faint, but it still looks really nice. And just the movements. What do you mean? So excited. I know I'm gonna have to do some more picking, but let me turn around for you. All right, this is what we have. This is the finished product, you guys. I hope you like it. I'm not even gonna do my edges, like, yeah. So yeah, don't forget to check out the Curl Chef. So this is the curl dip that I used. Really love it. I'm not getting any flakes. My hair feels moisturized. Clearly there's definition. I don't know if it was the combination or if it was the cream by itself, but if you check it out, let me know down below if you've heard of it. I'll be sure to put the website where I got it from in the description box. But yeah, thank you all so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share this channel, share this video with someone if you found it helpful, and I will see you all the next time. Deuces.